Hi guys, we're gonna make a video of me doing a fireworks stash. This is a quick view of my Uncle Sam fireworks. So starting off with these. Here we have a bottle rocket. They launch up in the air. They scream launch up in the air, and they make a pop. Here we have the little satellites. You light them and then they spin up in the air. Here we have 2 plane drops parachute at night. You just put them on the ground and light them, and then they spin up in the air and make a pop, and a parachute comes out. Here we have a Wonderland fountain. It emits showers of sparks. Here we have the biggest fountain. Emits showers of sparks, and it's called a gold and silver creature. Here we have 4 crackling barrels. What these do is you just put them on the ground, light them, and then they just crackle. Crackling barrel. Here we have 4 neon sparklers. They're just sparklers. Here we have 2 cuckoo fountains. Emits showers of sparks. Here we have 4 Roman candles. Here we have these hot shot rockets. What these do is it's actually a flammable rocket with report. That means it scream launches like the bottle rockets. It just scream launches into the air. That's what it does. And yeah, so that was the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye. Thank you.